What you're seeing isn't just a writing instrument, this is a Montblanc fountain pen, a symbol of timeless craftsmanship and elegance. Its black and white check pattern is both classic and bold, a perfect balance of tradition and sophistication. Take a closer look, the fine detailing on the nib, the perfectly imprinted branding, and the iconic snowcap emblem at the top. Every element speaks of quality, heritage, and precision. As the ink refills into the reservoir, you can sense that this pen is made for those who value the art of writing. And when it touches paper, it doesn't just write, it glides, effortlessly, leaving behind a trail of expression and grace. This is not about speed or convenience. It's about the experience, the quiet joy of handwriting with something made to last. Whether you're a pen collector, a journaling enthusiast, or someone who simply admires beautifully crafted tools, this Montblanc is a true piece of art in motion. Montblanc isn't just about the prestige. It's about the connection between hand, ink, and thought. In a world of fast texts and digital clutter, this pen reminds us of something rare: intention. Every stroke you make becomes more than words, it becomes presence. If you've ever paused to appreciate the feel of paper, the rhythm of writing, or the weight of a pen perfectly crafted, you know this isn't just a tool, it's a companion for your ideas. Subscribe to Medley with Dr. Muneer for more stories behind the objects that inspire us.